How to fix if you can't change date of birth on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device and go to your profile at the bottom right. Here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Activity Center, or you'll find Settings and Activity, or only Settings. Click on it. Here, click on Account information, and see if you can change. If you can't, what you can do is open Play Store, search TikTok, and update your device if there is any update available. Sometimes not updating the app might cause some issue. After you do this, another thing, if it still does not work, is go to TikTok, go back in settings and privacy, and directly report it to TikTok Help Center by clicking on Help Center. Click on Chat with Us, and you can tell them your issue that you cannot change. They'll help and get back to you. This is how to fix if you can't change date of birth on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.